I will show you how to get the best tacos of your life in just 90 seconds. First things first, grab your ingredients. You'll need shredded chicken, taco seasoning, tortillas, your favorite toppings like lettuce, cheese, salsa, and a squeeze of lime. Alright, heat up a pan over medium heat and toss in that shredded chicken. Sprinkle generously with taco seasoning. Give it a good stir and let it cook for about 5 minutes until it's heated through and coated in all that spicy goodness. While the chicken's soaking up those flavors, warm your tortillas in a separate pan or microwave. Now let's assemble. Take a warm tortilla, add a spoonful of that delicious chicken, and pile on your favorite toppings. I'm talking crispy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, gooey cheese, and a dollop of salsa. Don't forget to finish with a squeeze of lime for that zesty kick. And there you have it, folks. Speedy Mexican chicken tacos ready to devour. Perfect for a quick dinner or a fun taco night with friends. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more speedy recipes. Happy cooking, taco